A great brain. Why is it so significant and important to us? You see, our brain is the central organ of our nervous system with a spinal cord that connects us to the initial nervous system of our entire body. Our brain is made up of billions of neurons that sends electrical signals and messages to our body that controls our sensory, cognitive, learning capabilities. Our brain controls our heartbeat and respiration. So you could see how the brain is responsible for connecting us to all parts of our body so we could have effective function. Now, our brain. We have known that our brain has, we're not going to get too deep into the parts of the brain, but the largest part, which is the cerebellum, is basically the part that separates our brain in two halves, the left brain and the right brain. And as we know, the left brain is more concerned with our logical aspects and reasoning, and the right brain more our creative sensory aspects. You see, we have to work hard, hand in hand, to be co-creators here on earth and for proper functioning of our body. Now, the topic of our brain is so critical during this time, as we've often just overlooked our brain, like we have it as another part of our body part, and yeah, we see its significance, but it's so vital and important to pay a close attention to the functioning of our brain and its purpose right now, because we have seen that during this time, and we're shifting through the ages, there have been an agenda to pretty much control our brain and our perceptive function. You see, the brain controls our perception, and as many researchers and scientists have studied our brain, the agenda push to transmute us humans into transhuman robotics is an agenda that is not for the benefit and good of our soul. You see, we are pure organic beings here to co-create with the earth. And so this agenda to push us through as mere just robotic figures here on earth, to control our perception and reality, and to have a few stand behind, in the shadows and just pretty much transmute our own reality by using, scientific notions and research of our brain to try to control us and to transmute us into robotic beings. So I urge each and every one of you to delve deep into studying your own brain and its functions, and to really, pay close attention to all of these great agendas out there that pretty much has been, set up as a way to diminish our organic nature as pure human life force being. Of course, we are electrical in nature, and once we transmute into this whole transhumanation agenda, we wouldn't have our own control of ourselves or in our human bodies, and all we pretty much live and co-create on this earth. And so, as we step into the age of great knowing, the golden age of Aquarius, where we want to bring back light and harmony and unity on this earth, we are not here to be transformed into a transhuman person, where we live our lives being controlled for whatever sort of agendas from you that lives beyond the shadows. So again, see the significance and importance of your brain. Study your great brain and just see that, wow, it controls so much of our functioning. And do not let anyone steer you into this direction of becoming a transhuman to control your own reality. Because we are now becoming our truest and best selves to become the co-creators and recreate a magnificent story of our lives. Let's continue to shine through in our highest essence with the greatest form of love. You see, love is what we're all here for. And when we diminish our organic nature, this pure human life force being, and becoming some sort of transhumanism, it's not in the best interest of earth and all. So I bid love to you as you set forth. And, just see the significance of your brain and, the essence of it in being a co-creator. And continue to go out and spread great bliss and great love. To live in a harmonious, peaceful, blissful, loving, new, golden age earth.